So we did a thing, and hello from Idaho. As of yesterday, we sold the original black truck, and 24 hours later landed in Idaho, started the adventure to pick up the new truck. So excited to share that with you, the buying experience and everything that goes along with it, as well as obviously what we do to tinker with it once we get it home and start making it our own. So here we go. You guys picked up from the dealer with Red Bull. This is the best day ever. Now would be a good time to tell you that I did not buy a TRX. I want to buy one here soon. Probably not, but see if I can swing that in the next year or two. Bring some of that content to you guys. But take guesses. Comment below, guess, what did I buy for a new truck? It is literally right here in front of me. I'm staring right at it. My hand's like inches away from it as I take this video. So stoked for you guys to see what it is. You're gonna love it. Off we go. That was super quick. Get a little view back there, see where I bought it from and what the truck is. Super happy, one with the dealership. Both sales reps I worked with, finance, amazing. Got me in and out of there less than an hour, and I'm on the road. If you couldn't tell from the last little clip, yes, we did buy another Ram. Quick little inside shot. Yes, it's a Laramie. And yes, the hood is white. But before I show you the truck, I want to do just a quick synopsis on Peterson Ram up there in Idaho before I show you guys the truck. Overall, the buying experience was phenomenal. I am not paid by them by any means, didn't get a special discount or nothing. Just your regular customer was looking for the best price, and they truly had it. Comparing all the big volume dealers there in Idaho, they had the best price hands down. Took great care of me. My first contact was Clem. I believe he's the sales manager. Super straightforward, very responsive, got me everything I needed right away. Followed by that, passed along to Tim once my truck showed up to their site, coordinated my pickup. He actually himself came and got me from the airport and got himself a Red Bull on the way to the airport that morning and figured he'd just buy a second one to see if I wanted it. So I mean, right there goes to show kind of the kind of people at that dealer specifically. He didn't need to buy me a Red Bull or do anything like that. They didn't know I was going to be making a review specific on YouTube about it, but kudos to them too. I mean, it couldn't have gotten better service at another dealership. I truly don't think so. Comparing previous experiences at dealerships too, it was out of this world. Lastly, in the finance department, I worked with Kyle. My name is Kyle too. But Kyle in the finance department was very speedy, quick, had everything set up ahead of me. I think since I was wheels down in Idaho, they had me in and out of there, including drive from the airport in like a little over an hour. So I mean, and that includes a test drive too, when I showed up on site to view and check out the truck. So I mean, I was literally in and out of there on my way back to Colorado. I truly mean this. If you are in the market for a Dodge, Ram, Jeep vehicle, I would give them a shot. Not only were they amazing, but Idaho's kind of a cool place, Boise specifically, to fly into, and you can make a weekend out of it. I am rushing home to get back for work, but I wish I did have more time, and my wife and kid could have came with me kind of to check out the area and explore a little bit. And this will be my last time stressing it, but seriously, if you guys are in the market for a Ram, Jeep, Dodge vehicle, definitely give them a shout. Super amazing people, and you'll be happy working with them as well, I'm certain. So without any further delay, I will now show you the new truck for the page. In typical fashion, a few days later, truck got all kinds of dirty driving back from Idaho. But here she is, got her tinted out, waxed, put a cheap ceramic coating on it myself. 5% tint, really like how it looks, turns out. Sport appearance package, dually, obviously, had to up into the dually game. I think I told you guys already, Laramie, not too many options, like the Limited or Longhorn, but did get the power steps. All blacked out leather interior, center console, auxiliary switches, some stuff like that. Beyond excited though. Very happy with the initial order on it. Came in a timely manner. The tent really helps a ton, but excited to start getting some parts on it and featuring some new stuff here. As always, trying to bring new content, but like, subscribe, stay tuned. More stuff coming as we enjoy the new whip. This truck is way too fancy for me. Not only my first truck with leather, air-cooled seats, but a sunroof? Wow, it's the little things.